What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our Georgian adventures where me and my friend Kuzek discovered the country in a not so touristy POV. Now, if you've missed out on our last episode, we spent our last day of Tbilisi in the hood and got to meet some cool locals. So if you haven't checked it out already, go ahead and check it out in the pop-up banner. Today is the day we finally hit the road and start our round trip throughout the country, discovering its nature, but also its peculiar lollipop snacks.
Good morning from Georgia, Tbilisi. This is the final day for us.
We're renting a car today, we're leaving the city.
We're renting a car, leaving the city, going towards
Signagi.
Signagi, that's right.
It's a better video in Kazbegi Mountains. You can check it.
Yeah, okay, wait, put it on my system. Yes, perfect. Thank you. Okay, good. Thank you.
So, awesome. Kuzek got some new material to read on the way. That's great. So Kuzek already spotted him, our good friend Rustik, who offered us free wine, free cha-cha. And yeah, we're renting a car from him. So let's check out the car. Let's check out what's up. Ja, met die camera. Ah, je hebt die zware.
Oh,
Dobre утро.
Добрый. О, без чемодана вы пришли.
Да.
Хорошо.
Всё хорошо?
Да, супер,
Да?
супер. У
Окей.
вас как дела?
Хорошо.
Супер.
Завтра.
Завтра. Окей, сейчас.
Okay. This is Ajarski Achma.
Good.
Good. Нет грузинский.
Не, это не, аджарский.
Ajarski. Okay.
This is nice and fat. This is nice and healthy.
Yeah.
Good
And
mix.
you're mentally ready to hit the road?
Yeah, kind of. Like, I don't know, you guys didn't see the traffic here too much like Kuba and I did, but the traffic is pretty crazy in town. I think out of town it's gonna be very easy, but in town it's gonna be a bit of a challenge, but we got an automatic, so that's nice.
Yeah.
5 языков, 5 languages. 5? Yes, 5 languages.
That's a lot.
From Tiflis.
Yeah, only in Tbilisi.
Yes, и 5 языков знают. Вот так ге назвали.
It's the car. It's the hot rod.
It's the hot rod. Oh, but it's gonna be automatic, so no need to worry about all the mountains and all the steep helling tests.
Yeah. Хорошо.
Yeah, до встречи.
Let's go. Let's go. Well, guys, we're off.
We made it. We made it out of the concrete jungle.
It was a rough start.
It was a rough start. Like, we're parked on a hill, and we kind of had to like gas it up a bit. So I think the people who rented the car were a bit afraid, like that we within the 5 seconds of driving away would smash it. But it went okay. So filmed the road, showed them the Georgian roads.
These are the Georgian highways as we're driving out of Tbilisi on our way to Signagi. I keep forgetting the name, but I will get it. So Kuzek and me just got out of the car. This is our first stop. Now we notice a lot of lollipops on the way.
Yeah, like walnuts covered in a kind of syrup. So I think it's time for us to try them.
These Georgian lollipops are actually called Churchkhela. They are made by pinning walnuts on a string to eventually dip them in something called tartara, which is a syrup.
They're everywhere here, on the other side. There another place. All around this highway, we can try these lollipops. Какое это сама?
Давай,
Да?
давай пробуй.
Okay,
Давай, давай.
I can try.
Давай пробуй.
No?
Это натуральный сок виноград и
Да.
грецкий орех. Да.
Окей, я снимаю.
Снимайте, пожалуйста.
Да? Окей, можно. А
Можно,
что
можно.
это?
Это пастила.
Пастила?
Натуральный фрукт. Это персика, а это черный слива. Вот эти.
Okay.
А это
This is peach.
ваши. Вот
Нет.
эти.
Да?
Да, разные у меня есть. И еще есть эмалинные.
Как то кушать?
Просто кушайте.
Просто?
пожалуйста. Да, прямо
Да?
кушайте.
Organic.
Very organic. Babushka organic.
Нагинайте.
Да. Спасибо. So this is wine. We thought it was some juice, but
Это водка. Водка.
okay.
52 градусов.
Pizza.
А это коньяк.
Коньяк.
Коньяк, водка.
Коньяк. А это хани.
Honey, да.
Это вино. Это просто вино сухое. Вино капира.
Да.
Хочешь пробовать?
Я хочу. Я хочу брать.
Yeah, it's cool. Да. Я машином. Kuzek is going to try the wine or the vodka.
I don't know, or the cognac.
Maybe everything.
Maybe everything.
Kuzek is not allowed to drive anymore after this. After the babushka is bringing him some.
Tasting.
I think this holiday is taking a hard toll on your liver.
Yeah.
Вы откуда? Германия?
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Амстердам.
Голландия.
Да, Голландия. Спасибо, я увидел вас.
Да.
Очень приятно. Спасибо большое. До свидания. Well, we went on a big shopping spree. Kuzek, I thought we were just going to buy one of these lollipops.
Yeah, we ended up buying wine, we got grapes for free, we got 2 lollies each, we got like
Yeah.
a sausage skin or something, I don't know what it is.
I think I even got this one for free.
Oh.
She's
After our big victory of finally finding out what these lollipops are about, we continued the road to Signagi. However, driving on the highway, we found out that lollipops are not the only thing Georgians have as a commodity. So it was only right to make one more stop.
Yeah, Chuba. Yeah, so this seems to be a popular spot because a lot of people stop here. Два? Окей. Тоже.
Пробуйте. Это гранатовое вино. До пандемии я сок выдавливал. Закрыли все. И сделал вино гранатовое. Мало спиртный, зато очень хороший. Для организма иммунитета.
На здоровье.
So he says it's very good for your health for the pandemic.
Wine.
Yes.
Помегранат вайн.
Вино с помегранатом.
Okay.
Коньяк.
მოკლედ ძალიან გატვალებენ ეს ცხენები რა.
Очень хорошо.
ეს კონიაკ 12 ლიტრი.
After trying Churchkhela and the pomegranate juice, we were energized enough to drive to Signagi, our end target for the day, and so we did. And not only is Signagi a famous wine city, but we also stayed at a very special babushka's house. But all about that is for the next time.
Mestia?
Mestia уже снег. Уже снег? Да. Это снег. Hello, 2 Canadian friends. We made in the hostel, fresh in Signag. Грузинская музыка. Yeah.